guys. I'm meeting up with my buddy Chris again to go a little bit of camping. They've been up there already a day, so I'll be meeting up with them a little bit. We're gonna be playing some golf or disc golfing down there as well. Yeah, so sit back and enjoy. We're on the road right now. Basically heading up to just Hobble Creek. There's a disc golf course up there called, it's like in the Jolly Ranch area. So yeah, it'll be fun. Alright guys, well, made it to the course. Just waiting for, homeboy to get here with his brother. Wow, well, look who finally showed up. Look around this. Let's see if we can do it. Come on, hit this par. Yeah. Is Brian not find his?
Not yet. That wasn't bad.
Wasn't bad. You got in a good spot there. Thanks. This is hole 13, pretty sure. Just missed my par, sadly. I have no idea where that landed. No. Well, we're on the way to the campsites. Well, we made it. All right. It's getting dark. We're cooking up some kebabs.
We should get the Bigfoot.
You're right. Chris. Corn on that side. Seven-minute rice. Easy peasy. Rice is basically almost there. So, most of it got done. We've got the rice and stuff on there, but we're re-cooking up the chicken. It'll be quite evenly cooked. Mm-hmm. Well, morning. Well, I'm basically all packed up. I was over here. It's right over here. I'm all done. There were a broken tent. We gotta break that down.
Rude.
Right. Breaking it all down. Oh, it is warm. It's supposed to get to 83, so that's fun. But yeah. Heading out. Oh, I made it home. Got my hair up. Gotta race us up.